S&P Global, which is American rating agency, which is very much optimistic about Indian growth story. It says that by 2030, India is going to be a third largest economy after US and China. It says that currently Indian economy is, which is 3 trillion economy, by 2030, India is going to be a 7 trillion economy. Based on the three factors, which is very much optimistic about Indian growth story. The first one is increasing income level and consumer spending. Just 20 years back in India, only one person was earning, others were dependent. Now the situations are completely changed. Now husband and wife both are earning. That's why now people are ready to spend, and consumption is the biggest growth driver. When I say consumption, it includes food, education, entertainment, healthcare, hospitality, the list will go on. Now, premiumization is the biggest trend. What do you mean by premiumization? I would like to give some example. Now, people are shifting from normal watch to smartwatch, smartphone to iPhone, so normal clothes to branded clothes, the list will go on. Point number two, FDI investment. From last 10 years, foreign direct investment in India year on year is increasing, which will fuel the growth of Indian economy. Point number three is digital India. The digital revolution in India, which is just started. Still, there is a long way to go. After the digitalization, Indian retail industry, now it has become an e-commerce industry. There is a huge scope for e-commerce industry. If you look at the data, smartphone user in India, which is 493 million, social media user in India, 497 million, e-commerce user in India, 644 million, internet user in India, 851 million. There is a huge scope for e-commerce industry in India. Friends, based on these factors, India will be the third largest economy by 2030. Indian economy will grow by 3 trillion economy to 7 trillion economy by 2030. Friends, if you want to know more about Indian growth story, you can watch this video. Thank you.